good morning and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. I thought I would just bring you guys along for a very chill day in my life. So I'll show you what I eat in a day. I'll show you my skincare routine. I hope that's okay with you. I just wanted to do like a really chill video. So I did my coffee this morning. Lately I've been really enjoying having some iced coffee. It's so good. So I'm gonna make breakfast and then we'll see where the day takes us. Very tropical, very good.
Yeah, baby. You my baby. I think hold the door. Wait.
So I just wanted to show you quickly what I do for my skincare routine. So you just saw me splash my face with water. That's all I do in the morning. Just splash my face with some cold water. I think it works really well for me. My skin lately has been doing pretty well, if I do say so myself. I think it's pretty clear for now. I just have a bit of redness here that I would like to get rid of, and also my dark circle. I have like a big dark circle problem. If you have any products for dark circle, I would like to know. Just let me know in the comments. I am on a hunt for good products that could get rid of my dark circle. I always had them, and lately I've been sleeping really well, so it's not obviously not sleep, it's just chronic, I guess. So usually I just start with this vitamin C serum. Been helping a lot with my redness. I just get a few drops in my hand, just apply it like so. I've been watching skincare by SERUM on YouTube. He's just like on another level for skincare. It made me aware that I was using quite a few products that had fragrance in them. I got rid of them and I've discovered a really good brand, and that is The Ordinary. I love their products so much. This is the Buffet Serum. It is so good. I got it not too long ago, but I got it, I would say, a week ago, and it's been working really well. It was recommended by SERUM, so again, I just put a few drops and then pat away. Like I've said before, everything that I use is vegan and cruelty free. Then for my face cream, I use the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. This I have been using for years and I love it so much. It is so hydrating, perfect for my dry skin. Another thing that I started to do recently that has been helping so much, it has changed the game for me, is wearing sunscreen every single day. No matter what, I always wear my sunscreen. This is the COOLA Mineral Sunscreen. I actually really like this sunscreen. It feels like a primer. It doesn't feel like sunscreen at all. I would like to know in the comment if you guys use sunscreen, what's your favorite? I'm looking for recommendations. I am just wondering if there's some better sunscreen out there that I should know about. So it's pretty much all I do in the morning for my skincare. I'm thinking of doing kind of like a skincare favorite, so let me know if you would like to see that. Now I just think I'm gonna do just an easy and light makeup. I don't do that every day, but I think today would be a good day for a little bit of makeup.
nigga. She says she love me, but she don't. Playing in my heart just like a repeat of a song. Tried to make it work, but I'm already gone. Told her, it's hard to say it, but it's true. Hard to find the words that I'm supposed to say to you. It's time to pack your bags, girl, cause I'm moving on. I said it.
So that's pretty much what I do for makeup on a day that I'm at home. As you can see, it's not like a big makeup look, it's just like a very simple no makeup. But sometimes I like to just get ready just for fun. I think it's a big part of self-care just to feel better, and even if you're not going anywhere, it doesn't mean that you don't have to feel at your best. I like to get dressed and put on some makeup even though I'm not even leaving the house. It's just my preference. Some days I don't put on makeup at all, but today I just felt like putting a tiny bit. My hair is just not having it today. It's just a mess. I am getting a bit hungry. I'm gonna go make dinner and I think I'm gonna go eat outside. It's a really beautiful day today and I think I'm just gonna go eat outside and maybe read a book. So I have everything here. I cut my veggie nuggets into smaller pieces and we're gonna make some quesadillas. So it's almost time for dinner, so I think I'm gonna start now and cook some quinoa. I think I'm just gonna make like a simple quinoa salad.
That is a habit I never had.
I hope you guys enjoyed this chill day in the life vlog. If you did, don't forget to subscribe because I upload a new video every Monday. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!